But I've got a very strong head that is hitting me, man.
What?
Headache.
Headache?
Yes, I don't know where it's really coming from, but Mr. Ramusipil is confirming that apparently this headache is just running around. Because even the interpreter was complaining about the headache, man.
You mean there's a guy with strong mood here?
Mr. Ramusipil, I think he's got it.
Anything is possible, sir. Anything is possible.
What's the time now?
I don't know.
How long are you going to be, Mr.?
I still have to come to a new issue with the witness, man. So definitely, even if we start now, despite my headache, we might not be able to I might not be able to be done with my
Mr. Kumar, are you still also going to process them?
Yes, definitely.
Mr. Chalolo?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, it appears we won't finish today. Are you available tomorrow, man?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. All right, then shall adjourn until tomorrow.
You know what? Mnisi has to get one of my shirts, okay? Utini ma nimkuza. Have you guys seen our new merch line? Check it out. I'll link it somewhere here on your screen. You should see it now. But utini Mnisi ma nimkuza. Utini, guys, I really need to know because he is brave, okay? He is the bravest of them all. He needed a recess and he didn't want to start on part 2 of taking Pinky down, or should I say using Pinky to prove his story. He said, you know what? I'm just going to tell Judge Ratha I have a headache. You know what? I'm going to tell Judge Ratha I have a headache. But let me remind you, when Gomezulu had an issue with his ear, Judge Ratha said no. Somebody give him the eye drops. We are continuing. Umnisi, I don't know how to put it. There's a rapport. Yeah, that's the word I should use. There's definitely a rapport between Judge Ratha and Umnisi. I'm not sure if they've been in previous courtrooms together because Judge Ratha always calls upon Umnisi anytime he has a dry joke or a joke that nobody else is going to get or any of his dark satire jokes. So, yeah. So Umnisi said, today's the day. I'm going to use that to my advantage. Judge Ratha, I have a headache. And you know what's even strange? Ramasipili is also talking about the same headache. And you know who else is talking about the headache? Even Mr. Interpreter over there, he's struggling. We all know he's struggling with the interpretation. And you know what? Someone left me a comment yesterday. I made a typo with the word expert, okay? And I wrote X. Even for myself, I didn't understand that comment. And I said, you know what? This person wouldn't type this. So I checked my title and I was like, I typed it right. Expert. E-X-P-E-R-T. What is this person complaining about? And then I checked my thumbnail. On my thumbnail, I wrote ballistic expect. As in E-X-P-E-C-T. The shame, the embarrassment. You know what? You called me out. I accept it because I docked Umnisi a point yesterday. I gave him a 9 out of 10 for his performance because he couldn't remember the street that accused number 3 lived at. And a lot of you came in the comments and said, give the guy grace because the rest of his arguments, or should I say cross-examination, was bang on. So you know what, Mnisi, I stand corrected. I'm giving you your 10 out of 10. There are tons of flowers for you in the comment section. Tons and tons of comments as well. But do you know which comments I'm going to read today? Do you know what comments I'm going to read today? The comments of those that did not think that was a brilliant performance, that Mnisi didn't prove anything, and the state's case is still standing strong. I know. It's shocking. But you know what? This is a safe space for everybody. And let's dissect it as a family. Okay? So let's have our family meeting. The first comment says, let me even throw in a bit of my own conspiracy theory to my earlier statement. These guys even passed through Mazibuko Hostel to collect weapons to kill Usenzo. Sure? Next comment says, Umnisi is missing the point. What? Well done. As in, why are you guys saying well done? Umnisi missed the entire point. The important time is from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. that evening. Not before this. An absolute shame. And then they put a lot of crying emojis. And you guys are very, very fast with the comments. So one of the comments responding to this is, but has the state proved the whereabouts of accused number 3 at that particular time, 7 to 9 p.m.? I know that's right. That was a good comeback. Has the state, it is not for the defense to prove where accused number 3 was. It's for the defense to poke the holes in the state's case, which is why, if you remember, they never gave a plea. They never gave a plea. Okay? The other comment that responded is, which case are you? You guys. Okay, let me try to read through this. Which case are you guys? One more time. Which case are you watching? Haibo. Bokininda are all over. Well done, Mnisi. Bravo. I know that's right. You're not going to come for Mnisi on Mnisi Day, okay? When Mnisi has delivered such a blow to Pinky and all her towers. This comment as well says, are we watching the same case? Such an interesting perspective where most of us see this as a win. Some people see it as not a win, okay? Another comment goes on to say, no proof accused number 3 was where he was. His friends must be subpoenaed to prove his movements up to 9 p.m. on that evening. Courts don't work with emotions, but facts, period. I know that's right. You're right about that, because that was in the 26th of October, 2014. Which friend? Which friend? And what facts are they going to present 10 years later? But you know what? I digress. Somebody wrote in the comment, you are mad. Remember, when they were showing pictures of accused number 3 to 4 on that very same day. There we go. I know there's one more comment. Here we go. I found it. This comment says, let me share what I can deduce from this evidence. On the 26th of October, these guys woke up, drove to Katlehong Mazibuko Hostel to collect weapons in preparation for unaliving of Usenzo Meyiwa, okay? The Moseleki, pronounced Musiliki. Now I'm confused. The Musiliki Towers were picking their phones. They then drove to Voslores Basotho Hostel, where they made their final preparations. This is where Zungu claimed they were gathering. I just want to know why Zungu still has a job, because he said it out loud with his mouth. Senzo Mngunu, Minister Senzo Mngunu, Honorable Senzo Mngunu, we just want to know, what's your plan with Uzungu? What's your plan? It's all on recording. We can play the tape again for you. But I digress, okay? Comment goes on to say, this is where Zungu claims they were gathering. If you are at Basotho or Lesedi Shopping Center, your phone will ping at Lesedi Towers. My assumption is, in order to create an alibi, they then sent someone to drive their phones to Johannesburg. While they remained in Voslores, these are career criminals, and they knew they could be easily traced through their phones. I don't think so. That was 2014, guys. That was 2014. But let's keep going. For me, the fact that they placed themselves in Voslores on that day, and that they were picked by the Lesedi Towers, very close to the hostel, means they most probably did it. Period. And let's check the comments that responded. This comment says, most probably done it. You need to prove beyond reasonable doubt in a court of law. I know that's right, Chad. Thanks for coming through with that. Another comment says, is going to Voslores a sin? Because therefore, everybody who went to Voslores that day is guilty of killing Usenzo Meyiwa. But one more comment says, well, the original commenter who says the 5 accused did it responds and says, I know that you've got to prove beyond reasonable doubt, but my point is this evidence here proves the opposite of what Mnisi is trying to prove. All I can tell you is Judge Ratha wrote a lot of notes, okay? He wrote a lot of notes. Well done, Mnisi. Okay, well done. I'm still sticking with my original statement. 10 out of 10 for Mnisi. And if you still agree, because you know he's coming back with more firecrackers today, so make sure you drop his flowers in the comment section down below. That's it for this video. I'm going to keep it nice, short, and sweet for you so that what? We are ready for 10 a.m. today. And that is it for me today. If you've made it this far in the video, you already know, okay? Please make sure you share this video because other people need to know about Ginindas. There's so many about Ginindas in the comment section. Not so many, but there's a few. And there's still people who believe the 5 accused committed this crime. Incredible. How? You know what? Let me do this close. And you know what? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. House rules. Like, comment, and subscribe in that order. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it this far, you have my heart. You absolutely know that. Drop a hi in the comment section so I know you've watched the video. Thanks for watching all the ads. I'll catch you definitely on my next upload. I owe you a Ramasipili video, guys. I didn't want to do it rushed. So that video is coming. Don't think I skipped him. Don't think I skipped him. Thanks for watching.